What is going on, guys? I finally did it. I finally made it. I hit 100 subscribers on YouTube. I made it, man. I made it. I made it to the promised land. No, guys, I'm joking, but I appreciate every single person that subscribed to my channel. Thank you for the first 100 subscribers, guys. I hope this journey continues to thousands of subscribers. And you guys know what today is. Today is product research day. I do product research every single Wednesday, okay? Don't forget, hit that notification bell because I do product research every single Wednesday. And I make sure that you guys get a lot of value. And I hope I give you guys a lot of information on how to do product research. And if you guys see any product that I'm going through, feel free to contact the distributor, the brand itself, and I hope you guys make a ton of money along the way. So, guys, once again, thank you for the first 100 subscribers. That means a lot to me. Make sure you like the video, hit that subscribe button, and we're about to go ahead and jump into the video. See you on the other side. All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. So I'm going to go ahead and do this very quickly for you guys. I hope you get a lot of value from this one. So when I do product research, I want to make sure that you guys understand what am I looking for when I'm going through every single listing, okay? And the first thing that you guys want to make sure the first thing that I do is I look for Amazon. Is Amazon on the listing, okay? That's very important because I do not want to compete with Amazon. They take all the sales, okay? Is the brand selling that product? If the brand is selling the product, I will either go ask for permission to see if I can, if there's other sellers and the brand are on the same listing, I'll go ahead and ask for permission. But if it's only the brand itself selling that product and there's no other sellers, I stay away completely, okay? So I do not even touch it if it's only the brand selling it, okay? How many sellers are on the listing? Normally, I like to do products that have 3 to like 10 sellers. Anytime you get to like more than 10 sellers on the listing, there could be issues like price wars, and it can get very it can get very interesting. I've been in listings where there was like 26 sellers, and we all had to share like 100 sales a month, and it just wasn't worth it. Okay, so I try to stay under 10 sellers, so three to 10 sellers. Okay, then the last thing, of course, I check the numbers, the revenue, the daily sales, and of course I use Jungle Scout, I use Helium 10, and I'm gonna link Jungle Scout down below for you guys to get 30% off for Jungle Scout. So with that said, guys, you've seen the list. Is Amazon on the listing? Is the brand selling the product? How many sellers? And of course, the numbers. And I found 2 products for you guys that you guys might really like. So you guys are probably going to love this. Let's go ahead and jump on Amazon. This is a product that I found. It looks like they're wristbands. They're wristbands, reusable, resealable, and it's a pack of 25. The price is great. I normally only sell products that are above $15, so this checked out. And of course, guys, another thing is the sellers. There's 8 sellers on this one. So let's go ahead and open it. So yeah, there's 8 sellers. Now let's look if the brand is selling it. So this one, it looks like the brand name is PIC, P-I-C. So this seller, I don't see PIC there. There's another seller. There's another seller there. That's another seller. Yeah, guys, I do not see PIC as the brand, okay? And you guys can see here, brand PIC, PIC, okay? So they're not one of the sellers. Now, like I said, guys, you can still sell the product if the brand is on it, but other sellers also have to be on there as well. So if there was only PIC here as a seller and no other seller, I wouldn't even touch it. But this product, it just is great. The brand is not on it. There's multiple sellers, so everything looks good. Keep a chart, and this I teach. We get very in depth with Keepa, but Keepa looks good. It's not too volatile. It's been very consistent. And you guys remember, we want to see the numbers. Okay, so we already verified Amazon is not on the listing. The brand is not on the listing, and the amount of sellers looks good. Okay, so let's check the numbers. And you guys can see here, here's my Jungle Scout. I'm going to pull it up. So the monthly sales are 1,400 sales a month, which is amazing. That's great. The BSR is amazing. It's 10,000. I always stay under 50,000 BSR. Price, it's been averaging around $15 for however long it's been on. I think it's been what? Let's see. It'll tell you too. Jungle Scout normally tells you how long the listing's been active, since 2016. So yeah, the average price has been $15, which is good. Look at the reviews, 1,000 reviews. That's great. And you guys can see 28,000 per month in revenue is very good. Okay. Let's see. I'm pretty sure this is a very lightweight product. Look at this, only 0.13 pounds. So this is very lightweight. That means Amazon will not be taking a lot in fees. Yeah, all in all, guys, I like it. I like it a lot. 57 daily sales shared by how many sellers on here? 8 FBA sellers. Now, I don't want to get too deep into this, guys, and this is why I have like a mentorship thing where you can get really deep into this stuff, and I don't want to get too deep right now just for the sake of the video, but not everybody is going to be in the buy box. You see the buy box price right now, I believe it's $20.14. Not everybody's going to be in the buy box. You can see this guy, his price is 23, 22, and it looks like right now the buy box price is, and you can tell the buy box price looking at here, this is the buy box, right? For all my new people, what the buy box is when somebody clicks buy now, this guy is the one who's getting the sale. Okay, so the buy box price is $20.14. So even though there's 8 sellers here, if you go here, you can see some of the guys are not even in the buy box. This guy's not. This guy's not. And that guy's definitely not. And there was another guy that was not in the buy box. So the only people that are within the buy box price is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then including you, so it'll be 6. So really you want to share the sales. You can see here, 57 sales divided really by 6 people, because 2 of the guys out of the 8, they were not in the buy box price range. They were selling it for higher. So yeah, guys, this is a great product. It checks out. And this is in health and household, which should be easy to get ungated for. You should be able to sell this pretty easy. And you guys can see here, on my rev seller, I sell new, and I'm pretty sure I can immediately just sell this without no problem. You guys can see here, if I jump on here, see, sell new, boom, 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 sell this product. I have no issue with Amazon. There's no brand. Yeah, so that looks good. Okay. Let's go back here. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and go to the next one. The next product I found, it was, where is it? Where are you? Where are you? Okay, it's pick. Okay, here, guys, I have it. I believe it was an ortho product. Yeah, let's go here. Okay, guys, I'm waiting for this to pull up here. I believe it was like a weed killer or like a pesticide. Let me see. Where is it? I had seen it before. Here we go, guys. So this is an insect killer, and just wait for this to pop up real quick, guys. Boom. This is a great product. I mean, check this out. There's 5 sellers. Everything is looking good there. So the number of sellers is below 10. Let's see if the brand is selling it. So Ortho is the brand. You guys can see here. And let's go ahead and click on how many sellers. Let's see. Let's see if one of the brand is on there. So Sporting Doc, The Positive Shop, and Courthouse Supplies. So I don't see Ortho on this. You see there's another seller, Baybrook. So yeah, the brand is not on this product. The BSR is amazing, guys. Here, sorry. So the BSR here is amazing. And let's see, Keepa chart looks good. A little bit volatile, but for the most part, it's been staying above that 14. Yeah, so here, let's click on Jungle Scout. We can even see the average price. Wow. So look at this, guys. The sales, 1,000 sales a month. Amazing. Divide that by 5. So these guys are definitely getting some sales there. BSR looks good. Price is around $17 on average. Well, a little bit above the $15 that I always like to stay above. And it has a good amount of reviews. So this is a product that's been in the market since 2019. And let's look how, yeah, it's about £3. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna take a little bit in fees from that. But the heavier product, the more they're taking fees. So hopefully, if you guys want to do this product, you can contact this brand, or you can go through the distributor, and hopefully you guys can make a 30% ROI on this product. Hopefully you can get it for, I don't know, like $5, and then you keep $1.90. Anything above 35% ROI is good for me. So this is definitely a good product, man. I hope you guys can even get this for like $4.50. And I'm actually going to be looking for a distributor for this one as well. I like that 53% ROI. Man, guys, everything looks good. Guys, everything looks good. I hope you got a lot of value from this video. I gave you guys 2 products that you guys should definitely go ahead and add to your store. I did this all for free for you guys. All I ask of you, hit that like button, subscribe if you already haven't. We got our, wristbands there that, do good numbers. I think it was like 28,000 a month, right? 28,000. And then this one, which is an insect killer. This one was, $19,000 a month in revenue. So, and not too many sellers, not too saturated. Now, guys, one last thing before I go. I do mentorship, so if anybody wants to have me in their back pocket, I'll literally be there 24/7. If you want to help, with product sourcing, I also help with distributors. So I have a ton of distributors. I'll just give them all to you, and you can go ahead and find the products in their catalog that you can sell. So I just do this for fun, guys. I'm bored pretty much of the time, so I'm using my time to do one-on-one coaching with people and mentorship for 1 year. So yeah, definitely hit me up. It's $1,500 for 1 year. And you have me in your back pocket to walk you through how to set up your Amazon account, all the way to sourcing all your products and all of that. So, guys, with that said, have an amazing day, and I'll see you next Wednesday when I do my next video. Okay? Peace.